The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today we are on the 13th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And in our Gospel, it will be coming from St. Mark chapter 5, verses 21 to 43. This is all about the twin miracles Jesus performed. The first one was the raising to life of the daughter of Jairus, who was a temple leader. And also, an unnamed woman who was suffering from hemorrhages for the last 12 years. She came to Jesus in the ocean of people and touched the tip of the cloak of Jesus because she believed by touching it, she will be healed. And in both instances, Jesus gave emphasis on their faith. The faith of Jairus, despite people discouraging him from bothering Jesus, because anyway, her daughter was dead already. And that woman who was discriminated and separated from the community for the last 12 years because of her sicknesses. But they both persevered. They have faith in Jesus. In their desperation, they came to Jesus. Now, my question for you is this. Is Jesus your first option? Is Jesus your last resort or your last option? Or is Jesus our only choice? Our faith shouldn't be a product of our desperation. Rather, our faith should be founded on our hope on Jesus Christ. In our gospel for today, we are being reminded that Jesus is the God of life. By coming into contact with Jesus, by allowing Jesus to touch us, and by touching Jesus, we can certainly experience serenity, peace, love, and more importantly, healing and renewal of our life. For after all, Jesus is the God of life who will bring the life so much alive in us. Isn't it, there were times when we feel like there's no more reason for us to keep going. There were times when we felt like we don't want to go on, we don't want to live anymore. But the fact is, whenever we experience and encounter Jesus in the crossroads of our life, we will always certainly experience a life that is so alive, a renewed life, and a life full of vigor, and a life full of desire to make something different, because we know God called us, God has chosen us, and God made a beautiful future for all of us. God bless you. Happy Sunday, and be so much alive with Jesus in our hearts.